Hi, I'm Sri. In this video, we will see how to use the logical operator in Python. In last session, we already discussed about the conditional operator. Now, we will see the logical operator. What are the logical operators? And or not. These are all the logical operator and how to use this logical operator in Python. We will see that. And here I'm not going to use only the logical operator. And in last session, I already explained about the conditional operator, right? So that also I'm going to use it here. And using the conditional and logical, how to execute the code, we will see that. Okay. And what is the difference between a conditional operator and logical operator? In conditional operator, we can check only one expression at the time. Okay. But when I use the logical operator in one expression, in one if condition, I can check more than expressions. Okay. I can write more than an expression in one if statement. Okay. So how to use that? We'll see that. First, I'm going to write the simple program. Okay. So you already know how to get the runtime input, right? For the integer number. So int input, enter first number. Okay. So in the same way, second, third, and number also I'm going to collect it. Second number, third number, and I'm going to use a different variable A, B, and C. Okay. So now I got the input. Now I'm going to check the condition. Okay. If I need to check the condition like A is equal to B. Okay, if the both the value is equal, I need to enter both the value equal, and at the same time A is greater than C. Okay, if this expression is true, it will enter into this block and it will print expression is true. Okay, else print expression is false. Okay, so here I'm having a two expression, right? A equal to B and A is greater than C. Okay, if this both expression is true, it will enter into this block and it will print expression is true, else expression is false. Okay, so like this way, using integer variable, we have to check this, and how to compile this program, we will see that. Okay, now I'm using command window to execute the program, and I already opened this command window, okay, in my same path. Okay, now I'm going to compile this program. Okay, how to compile? Python. What is the file name? Conditional dot py. Okay, just I'm going to run this, and it's asking first number, right? So I'm going to enter the first number 10, second number also 10, and third number for C, A is greater than C, like that I given. So A already I'm having 10, so I'm going to use 5. Okay, expression is true. Okay, so now again I'm going to run this program 10, 10. If I given 9, now also the condition is true. If I give all the value as 10, now condition is false. Okay, now when you comparing with this first number, second number, both is equal. This condition is true, but I'm using AND operator here, right? If it is, I'm having an AND operator in this condition now. Here, I'm having A greater than B. Okay, A is greater than C. Okay, so A is greater than C. It is not greater than, right? It is equal. So its condition is false right now. if I used equal to, okay, now I'm going to compile again. See, 10, 10, 10. Now the condition is true. Why? Because A is greater than equal to C. Okay, if the both the value is 10 in that time also I'm getting true message. Okay, so now when the condition is false, if I having 11, condition is false. Okay, so like this way we have to use it for the integer number. Okay, here I used AND operator. Okay, so next we'll see the another program using AND operator. Okay, okay, next we'll see the username password. Okay, I'm going to check the username and password. If the both the value is equal, then I'm going to print welcome user, like that one message. Okay, that is a code too. I'm going to plan it, and using AND operator I'm going to write it here. Okay. This. Okay, now I'm using username equal to it is a string only, right? So I'm using input enter user name. Okay, now password equal to input enter password. Okay, now I'm going to check the condition. If username is equal to admin and password is equal to admin at 123. Okay, this is a condition. If the both username and password is correct, and it will print welcome, and I'm going to print that username. Okay, like this I'm writing. Else print sorry try again. Okay, like this I'm going to print. Okay, now we'll run the same code. Or it's asking username, right? So I need to give admin. Okay, and password admin at 123. So it will print welcome admin. Okay, so now I'm going to give admin, but I'm typing like this. See, A capital letter. Okay, it is admin, but I entered A capital letter. Okay, password I'm giving the same password admin at 123 like that. So it's printing sorry try again. Why? Because Python is a case sensitive. Okay, so we need to give the same username and password. Okay, and here I returned only in a lowercase. In the same format you have to give the username and password, then only it will print welcome message. Okay, if any one of the condition is false, client admin at 123, I'm typing the username as client. Okay, password is admin at 123. So now I'm not having any client username, right? So it will printing sorry try again message. Okay, so here I'm using AND operator. If the both username and password is correct, then only it will print welcome message, otherwise it will print sorry try again. Okay, so like this way we have to use the AND operator. Okay, next we'll see the OR operator. Okay, next I'm going to use the OR operator. So now I'm going to use the same program. Okay, I'm going to use the same program for the code 3. Just I'm going to modify it here. Okay, I'm going to use the same code. Okay, so now what I'm going to do it here. So here I used AND operator, right? Instead of that, I'm using OR operator. Okay, so now we'll run this code. See, I'm having first number, second number, third number, and I'm going to check the condition. If the both the value is equal, A and B is equal, or A is greater than equal to C. Okay, if any one of the expression is true, it will enter into the true block. Okay, so now, so what is the first number I need to enter? 10, 10. So the first expression is true, right? And A is greater than equal to C. Okay, so in last program we given 10, right? In that time it will printing true block message, right? So now I'm using 11. Now C is not greater than A. Okay, but A is greater than A is equal to B. That condition is true. That expression is true. My second expression here it is false. So once we enter, we'll get the true block message. So how it is printing? The first expression is true, right? First number, second number, that is A and B is equal. A is greater than equal to C. This is my second expression, but this is not satisfied here. Anyway, the first expression is true, so it will printing true block message. Okay. So now when it will print the false message, we'll see that. I'm using 15, 10, 22. Okay. So now my all the expression is false, right? A, B is not equal. A greater than equal to C. Like that we have to enter, but right now I entered 15 and 22. Okay. Now it will print the false block message. Okay. Any one of the condition is true, it will enter into the true block, else it will enter into the false block. Okay, so like this way we have to use the OR operator. And here I used two expressions, right? This is first expression and this one is the second expression. In the same way, if we need to write again on AND operator or operator, na, we can write n number of expressions in this. Okay. Next, we'll see the NOT operator. How to use the NOT operator? We'll see that. For that, I will give you one more demo for the fourth program. Okay. So here I am going to use two number A and B variable. First and second input. Okay. So now I am going to check the condition. If not A is equal to B. Okay. A is not equal to B, then only the condition is true. Okay. Else print condition is false. Okay. Like this way we have to write it for the NOT operator. Okay. So now we'll run that code. We'll see the output. First number 10. Second number also I am entering 10. Condition is false. If the both the value is equal, in that time it will print false. If the both the value is not equal, then it will print true. Okay. It is just opposite. Okay. Now you understand this code. So here I given a small demo for the AND, OR, and or and not operator. Okay, I hope you understand this concept, and like this way we can write lot of logics code. You just write, and if you have any doubts you just command us. Okay, I will reply you. Okay, thanks for watching.